Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to delete specific records using delete from statement. Delete from statement is used to remove the records from a table based on the specified condition. We'll see here how to delete a specific rows. So you can delete the single or multiple rows here. Let's say we are interested in deleting this record. How we'll do that? The syntax will be delete from, then you will write your table name. In this case our table name is table name, and now we'll say where the column is equal to 2, so this particular record will be deleted. So once the statement is executed, this record will be deleted. Now if you write the column 1 is greater than 1, then we can delete 2 and 3. So we can delete the single as well as multiple records. Delete all rows or all records. Let's see how to do that. We have again the same table. What is the syntax? Delete from, and then you write the table name, and then it will delete all these 3 rows. It will be similar to the truncate table command. In this question number 1, we have been asked to delete a specific records from staff member table. We are going to delete this record number 2, whose employee ID is 2. And we will be doing this using delete from statement. Here we are going to use the delete from table statement, but before that let's check our tables. In earlier tutorial we truncated the 2 tables, staff department and staff members, so we do not have data inside it, right? Very first thing we'll do here is we'll insert the data. You can select this statement and execute it. So the data will be added to your table. This looks good. The second table, okay, it's working. Now you want to delete the data from your tables. So for that purpose you want to say, sometimes what happens, SQL will not able to delete the data. So for that purpose you need to set the SQL underscore save updates equals to 0. So this statement will not generate any error if you are updating or deleting data. So it's always better to keep this statement when you are trying to update or delete the data. I will execute this statement. Okay, and after that you just write your first statement. I'm gonna delete this record number 2 from our table whose employee ID is 2. How to do that? We just say delete from, you mention the table name, this is our table name, and you say where employee ID value is equal to 2. Now let's execute this statement. If you want to see the table first, you can just click on this table, and we're trying to delete this record. Now let's execute this statement. Okay, it's executed successfully. Now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna just display table one more time. If you see here, we do not have the employee ID to record, right? So it's deleted. Now, in second question, we have been asked to delete all the records in staff member table using delete from statement. So we'll delete all these records. We are going to delete all records from staff member table. So how to do that? We just simply write delete from staff members. So this will work as truncate statement, and execute this one. Okay, this statement is executed. Now let's see. Go back to the table, click on the table icon, and all the data inside the table is deleted, right? Question number 3 asks us delete all the data from staff department table. We'll delete all these records from staff department table. Delete from the staff department table. So we are deleting data from this table too. Execute this one. Now go to the department table, click on the table view icon, and the data is deleted from this table too. You can delete here multiple records based on the where condition. Let's say the condition you wanna delete, let's say record between, I will say, greater than 1. If you do this once, whatever the values like 2, 3, 4, 5, employee ID 2, 3, 4, 5 will be deleted. You can delete single or multiple records using the statement delete from. That's all for this lecture, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.